Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A34, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. Now for this you will need a cable that is plugged into your computer. So once you have that prepared, simply plug it in right away. If it comes up with any kind of messages, just disregard them. Now from here, navigate to your boot options and then select Restart. Once the Samsung logo disappears, hold power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Samsung logo, let go of the power key, but keep holding volume up. And once you have the Android recovery mode open, you can unplug the cable. It was only needed to get us into here. Now, while you are in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate up and down, and power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Quickly going over the options that we have access to, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to fastboot mode, because it's Samsung, so you don't have such a thing as unlocked bootloader here. The next thing we have is apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, power off, or repair apps. Those are all the options. Now I'm gonna stick with the first one and confirm it, which, like I mentioned before, will take me back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.